Greetings. In this video, we will be sharing the accountability obligation of the PDPA. Accountability is a fundamental principle of the Personal Data Protection Act, PDPA. This means that organizations must take responsibility for the personal data under their possession or control. This basically means organizations need to exhibit the following. 1. Appointment of a Data Protection Officer, DPO. 2. Draft out an Operational Data Protection Management Program, DPMP. So why is accountability obligation so important for organization? COVID has accelerated the use of IT devices and the Internet at a fast speed in this digital era. With this phenomenon, we also see an increase in cybercrimes from Internet scams to cyber attacks. This has in turn caused consumers to be increasingly curious about how organizations are managing and using their personal data. Thus, to stay competitive, it is important for organizations to take an accountability-based approach to managing customers' personal data. This will help your organization strengthen trust with the public, enhance business competitiveness, and provide greater assurance to your customers, all of which are necessary factors to thrive in the digital economy. How to get started with the accountability obligation? First of all, you need to select a suitable person to appoint as the DPO. So what are the criteria for a suitable DPO? A person who is well versed with the organization's data flow processes, from the collection, storage, use and disclosure, transfer, retention, and disposal. Has communication access to the top management. Normally, this person will be one who is in the senior management level. Once he is selected, the organization will need to appoint him as the DPO and register him with ACRA, BizFile. The DPO will also need to attend the necessary PDPA courses, namely Fundamentals of the PDPA, and the Practitioner Certificate of Data Protection. Next, the DPO needs to draft out the Data Protection Management Program, DPMP. The details of the DPMP is covered in the Practitioner Certificate of Data Protection course. So what is involved to draft the DPMP? Data flow diagram showing the organization data flow processes. Data inventory map. Risk analysis, based on the data flow processes. This is commonly known as the privacy impact assessment. Design the necessary controls based on the risk analysis. Please refer to the protection obligations on the controls, technical, administrative, and physical. This will include all the necessary policies, procedures, contractual clauses, and so forth. Draft out the dispute resolution procedures. Plan out the training and communication courses schedule. Draft the breach response plan and incident report form. Cyber Essentials Lab. With almost everything in the workplace requiring the use of computer devices connected to the Internet, it is inevitable that we need to have cyber hygiene courses introduced to all our staff. SG Venture Consulting has put in place the Cyber Essentials Lab courses, which are referenced to the Cybersecurity Agency's Cyber Essentials Mark framework. We have made the courses to be self-administered e-learning to build an independent lifelong learning attitude in Singapore's workforce. So in conclusion, PDPA is a mandatory act that all organizations need to comply. To comply with the PDPA means organization need to appoint a DPO, draft out an operational DPMP. Equip your staff with Cyber Essentials Lab training so that they are cyber safe.